Reptiles are some of the most unique and fascinating pets you can own. They come in incredible colors and display amazing behaviors. Many of them can live for decades with proper care. Choosing your first reptile can be overwhelming. Some reptiles require extremely specific humidity levels, complicated diets, massive enclosures, or even years of experience to keep healthily. Starting with the wrong species can lead to frustration for the owner and poor conditions for the animal. Luckily, there are plenty of reptiles that are perfect for beginners. These species tend to be hardy, relatively easy to care for, and forgiving if you make small mistakes while learning the basics. In this video, we're going to be counting down the top 10 best starter reptiles for beginners. These reptiles are popular for a reason. They're manageable, widely available, and make fantastic introductions for the reptile hobby. Let's get right in. First up on today's list is number 10, the leopard gecko. Leopard geckos are a small desert lizard native to Afghanistan, Pakistan, and India. Unlike many other geckos, they don't have sticky toe pads, so they can't climb smooth surfaces very well. Because of this, they do best in simple horizontal tanks rather than tall enclosures. One of the biggest reasons leopard geckos are great for beginners is their simple care requirement. A 20-gallon tank with a warm side and cool side and a few hiding spots is usually enough. They don't require high humidity like tropical reptiles, which makes their environment easier to maintain. Their diet is also simple. Leopard geckos eat insects such as crickets, mealworms, and Dubai roaches that should be just dusted with calcium and vitamin supplements. They're typically calm and tolerant of handling, especially once they get used to their owner. Most grow to be about 7 to 10 inches long, making them easy to manage for new reptile keepers. Because of their hardy nature and simple care, leopard geckos are one of the best reptiles to start with. Then we have number 9, the corn snake. Corn snakes are native to southeastern United States, and they are known for their beautiful orange, red, and black patterns. Over the years, breeders have also developed many color morphs ranging from bright reds to pale white variants. One of the biggest reasons they're great for beginners is their calm temperament. Corn snakes are generally docile, rarely aggressive, and usually tolerate handling very well. Their care is fairly simple as well. Juveniles can live in a 20-gallon enclosure, while adults typically need a 40-gallon habitat. Like most reptiles, they need a warm side and a cooler side to regulate body temperature. Corn snakes eat frozen, thawed mice about once every 7 to 10 days depending on their age. Adults usually reach about 3 to 5 feet long, which makes them large enough to handle comfortably but is still easy to manage. Because they're hardy, beautiful, and easy to care for, corn snakes have become a beginner favorite for decades. After that, we have number 8, the crested gecko. These unique geckos come from New Caledonia and are easily recognized by their crest-like ridges above their eyes and along their backs. One of the biggest advantages of the crested gecko is their covenant diet. Many owners feed them specially formulated powders that are mixed with water, which provide them a balanced nutrition. They will occasionally eat insects like crickets or roaches, but these usually are optional rather than required. Crested geckos are arboreal, meaning that they prefer tall enclosures with branches and plants for climbing. Another benefit is they often do well in a normal room temperature, so exact heating equipment is sometimes unnecessary. Adult crested geckos usually grow to be 7 to 9 inches long, including their tail. While they can be a little jumpy at times, regular gentle handling usually helps them become more comfortable with their owners. Then we have number 7, the ball python. Native to West and Central Africa, these snakes get their name from their defensive behavior. While they feel threatened, they curl up into a tight ball rather than striking. This behavior, along with their calm temperament, makes them a popular beginner snake. Ball pythons are famous for their huge variety of color morphs, with breeders producing hundreds of different patterns and colors every year. Adults usually grow between 3 and 5 feet long, making them manageable for most keepers. Their care is slightly more advanced than some reptiles because they require proper humidity and a secure enclosure. However, once their setup is correct, they're generally hardy pets. Ball pythons eat frozen thawed rodents every 1 or 2 weeks depending on their size. Although they can sometimes be picky eaters, their calm personality and manageable size makes them a popular choice for beginner snake owners. Next up we have number 6, the bearded dragon. Native to Australia, these lizards are known for their friendly and curious nature. Many owners consider them one of the most interactive reptiles you can keep. They get their name from the spiny scales under their chin, which they can puff up and darken when the animal feels threatened or excited. Bearded dragons are usually calm and tolerate handling very well. Many will comfortably sit on their owner's hand or shoulder. However, they do require larger enclosures than some reptiles. Adults need about 4 feet tank along with proper heating and UVV lighting. Their diet includes insects such as crickets, roaches, and along with leafy greens and vegetables. Adult bearded dragons typically grow to 18 to 24 inches long. Because of their friendly nature and active behavior, they're one of the most engaging reptiles beginners can own. At our halfway point, at number 5, is the Kenyan sand boa. Native to East Africa, these snakes spend much of their time buried beneath the sand or loose substrate waiting for prey. Because of this behavior, their enclosure setup is simple. They mainly need a warm side and a cooler side and plenty of substrate for burrowing. Kenyan sand boas are relatively small snakes, usually reaching 2 to 3 feet in length as adults. Their diet consists of frozen thawed-out rodents, fed once every 1 or 2 weeks. Most individuals are calm and manageable once they become used to handling, though they can be slightly defensive when first picked up. Their thick bodies and slow movement gives them a unique appearance compared to many other snakes. Because they're small, hardy, and easy to care for, Kenyan sand boas are an underrated beginner species. Next up we have number 4, the gargoyle gecko. These geckos are native to New Caledonia and are known for their horn-like bumps on their heads, which gives them the name gargoyle. Like crested geckos, they eat powdered gecko diets mixed with water, making feeding simple and reliable. They will also eat insects occasionally, but don't depend on them as heavily as some reptiles. Gargoyle geckos usually live in vertical enclosures filled with branches and climbing surfaces along moderate humidity. Adults typically grow from 8 to 10 inches long and can live up to 20 years with proper care. Compared to crested geckos, they tend to be slightly calmer and less jumpy, which some beginners prefer. Then in our final 3, we have the blue-tongued skink. These large lizards are famous for their bright blue tongue, which displays when they are threatened. Native to Australia and parts of Indonesia, blue-tongued skinks are ground-dwelling reptiles that are usually calm and easy to handle. One major advantage is their very flexible diet. They are omnivores that eat a mix of insects, fruits, vegetables, and sometimes high-quality dog food. This varied diet makes feeding them easier than many reptiles. Adults can grow from 18 to 24 inches long, so they require a fairly large enclosure similar to a bearded dragon. Despite their size, they're known for being slow-moving and docile, making them manageable pets for beginners. Second to last on today's list is the Russian tortoise. Native to Central Asia, these tortoises are known for being hardy and adaptable. They are relatively small, usually growing only from 6 to 10 inches long, which makes them more manageable than larger tortoise species. Russian tortoise are herbivores, meaning that they eat a diet of leafy greens, vegetables, and weeds. They require strong UVB lighting and spacious enclosures where they can walk, explore, and dig. In warmer climates, they also live in outdoor enclosures where they graze naturally. One thing beginners should remember is the tortoise is a very long-lived animal. Russian tortoises can live up to 40 years or more in one lifespan. But for someone who wants a plant-eating reptile with a calm nature, they are an excellent option. Finally for today is number 1, our top-ranking animal, the leopard gecko. Leopard geckos combine several important traits that make them ideal for beginners. They're hardy, relatively small, and have simple care requirements. Their enclosure setup is also easy, their diet is completely straightforward, and they don't require complicated humidity levels. They're also known for being gentle, rarely biting, and usually tolerating handling very well. Most can only grow up to 7 to 10 inches long and live for about 15 to 20 years with proper care. They also come with many beautiful color morphs, giving the owners plenty of variety to choose from. Because of their easy care, manageable size, and friendly personality, leopard geckos are widely considered the best reptile anyone can start with. Reptiles can be incredible pets, but choosing the right species is one of the most important decisions you'll ever make as a beginner. Starting with a hardy, manageable reptile allows you to learn the basics of heating, lighting, feeding, and enclosure design without becoming overwhelmed. The 10 reptiles in these videos are some of the best beginner reptiles in the world, and each one offers something unique and something different for each person to start with. From the friendly personalities of a bearded dragon to the fascinating behavior of a burrowing sand boa. But no matter which reptile you choose, remember that research and proper care are always the most important factors in keeping a pet healthy and happy. Alright, you guys might be confused. Don't you make fish videos? Yeah, that's true, but I decided I'm gonna start doing all animals. This thing is that I realize I'm not running out of fish ideas at all. I have like a whole Google Doc of like 40 of them still, and I got scripts finishing up. I got like 16 to do still out of those 40. But anyway, I decided, since I threw together a reptile one just for fun before I started even making videos, this is back in like January when I started, I made the script. I decided, screw it, let's make the video for fun. And here I am. I had a lot of fun with it. I love reptiles. I love reptiles, birds, mammals, insects, fish mainly, if you can't tell. But yeah, I'm gonna start making videos about all these things. If this does really good, then I'll just consistently keep doing it. I'm gonna keep making fish videos, of course, but like these are gonna be alongside the fish, and then I'll probably start doing insects. So it'll probably mainly be between reptile, fish, and insects, and probably the occasional bird. Don't quote me on that though. Alright, you know how this works. Thank you if you did subscribe. If you do and you enjoyed the video, thank you so much. Feel free to watch some other ones and share this and tell people to subscribe. That'd be really awesome. Anyway, bye-bye.